Set up alerts for your project and project tasks and get easily notified by email. You can work with multiple budget versions and switch between them. Easily revise the project budgets. One option is to use Excel to make the changes, copying and pasting into the budget journal. Another option is directly in the budget matrix. Just select what resource or resource group you want to make changes for and enter the new values. The budget is now updated, and you can select which budget version you want to show. Use a Gantt chart for planning, showing tasks, timeline and dependencies to each other. In addition, you can add events or deadlines with email alerts. Events can be related to each other and offset by a set time. These events are now shown in the Gantt chart. Make changes by using drag and drop. This can optionally drive changes in the project budget or the resource scheduling.